Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy braided updo. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. And now I'm just going to divide the hair from the top of the ears, bringing my thumbs together so you're creating a horseshoe shape. Clip off that top section for later. Divide the remaining hair in half and we're going to do a fishtail braid. So split your section in half, take a small slice of hair from the left hand strand, pass it over the top and join it to the right hand strand. Then take a small slice of hair from the right hand strand, cross it over the top and join it to the left hand strand. Carry on braiding this way until you get to the end of the hair. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then gently pinch and pull every single twist and loop of that braid so it's nice and voluminous. Then just repeat the same braid on the opposite side. I've unrolled a hair donut to get some padding, and I'm just going to roll this into a small ball shape and pin it to the head between the two braids. So taking that left hand braid, we're going to cross it over the top and up to the right hand corner at the top, hold it to the padding and then just pin with as many bobby pins as needed. Then we're going to do the same with the right hand braid, so cross it over the top to the top left hand side and secure with bobby pins. Release that top section down. And we're going to do a Dutch braid, so starting on the left hand side, split your section into 3 and cross both strands under the middle strand. Then add a section of hair to that left strand and cross it under, and add a section of hair to the right strand and cross it under. So add a section of hair to that left hand strand and cross it under the middle strand, and then add a section of hair to the right hand strand and cross it under. And all we're going to do is carry on braiding this way until we start to turn round to the back of the head. So once you reach the bun, only add in hair to that top or right hand strand and carry on braiding until you run out of hair. Make sure you angle the braid over the top of the bun. Tie it all off with a clear elastic band. Apply some texture spray to that braid. Again, I'll pop what I'm using in the description for you. And then gently pinch and pull the crown area for a bit of texture. Then we're going to gently pinch and pull on the edge of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Bring that braid down and underneath the bun and pin it to the right hand side. Bring it over to the left hand side and then roll up any tail ends, add a bobby pin and then just pin it into that bun. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.